T is for tiger. TT Tiger. Today, we're exploring the incredible world of the letter T through one of nature's most magnificent creatures. Imagine a tiger, moving with such grace and power. This tiger is creeping slowly, step by step, a master of stealth in its natural habitat. Now, listen closely as it lets out a soft growl, a powerful sound that echoes through the wild. Then, observe as it swishes its tail, a natural rhythm, before settling down to rest in the sun. Can you mimic the tiger's quiet creep? Or perhaps try a gentle growl, just like our wild friend? T is for tiger, terrific, tough, and truly wild. It's a letter that brings so much energy and excitement. What a tremendous letter T!